Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a quick vegetable coconut curry. So the ingredients I'm using are spinach, coconut milk, I've got some sweet potato, onions, garlic and ginger. I'm also using some cauliflower in there as well. So we're going to use some lovely spices for our coconut curry. So we've got some turmeric, which they call saffron in Mauritius, you can see. And we've got some cumin and some coriander as well. So I'm going to chop up my sweet potato, my garlic and my ginger. And I'm going to put all my spices on a plate. So I've added some cardamom in there as well. It just makes it easy for me to see what I'm adding into the dish. So I'm going to saute my onions first in some coconut oil. So I've done my onions and then I'm going to add in my ginger and my garlic. And then I'm going to add in my cauliflower and my sweet potato. And our next ingredient would be the coconut milk. So we want the vegetables to cook in that coconut milk. I've used like reduced fat coconut milk. Full fat is fine. So literally just pour the whole thing into your pot. So I'm going to let that cook for about 20 minutes or so the vegetables are pretty much done. But then I'm going to add in some beans to this dish. So beans and some peas. Now I've used black beans and you can use frozen peas, that's fine. So mix that all into the pot. You've got your black beans in there, lots of protein, and your green beans as well. Let that cook until it's all done, and then at the end you just want to garnish with some coriander, some spring onion if you have, even some parsley. A squeeze of lime or lemon juice would go really well. I'll even love adding some spinach into the end. So spinach doesn't need very long to cook, so it just needs to wilt into the curry. So you can just chop up those leaves and add them in at the end. Serve this recipe with some brown rice or some more vegetables on the side. It's a really good vegetarian dinner. You can even sprinkle over some cashew nuts and roasted cashew nuts or pine nuts on the top to give it some added crunch. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vegetable coconut curry and you get to make it at home. Please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you again soon.